a quick video on the silver future, or this is silver futures because it's a continuous pattern showing the price movement of silver. But as everybody knows, futures have deadlines and during the year, and so please read a lot about the futures behavior before, or the futures market before getting into this type of market. It's not like stock market. They got deadlines, and for each deadlines there might be generally there are massive volumes going on, so a lot of people investing, buying and selling into it, that might impact, of course, the global behavior of this future. So once you got your confidence with the future market, meaning that you have studied and read a lot about futures, you are ready to invest into one of them. It can be silver, gold, copper, etc., etc. But in front of us there is now silver today, and silver, based on my very simple technical analysis, it has been moving inside the channel. Generally, when prices move inside the channel, the wisest option is always to hold and wait for a proper trend, because we would like to invest always in following the trend direction. So it's easier, we reduce risks investing in the trend direction, and if you're going generally, when there is a trend direction, we would like to invest always in the same, in following the trend direction, and never invest against the trend. This is one of the first rules, one of the most important rules of technical analysis. Never invest against, or never go against the trend. As we are right now, this one can be seen as a possible start of a bullish behavior. So if this one is going to work as bullish trend, the idea would be to go long, but just before going long, wait that the 25.5 possible support will not be broken before going long, or otherwise just hold, because this is one possible scenario. But the other one can be that the other one can be really that prices still move. Let's do it together. What can happen is that prices can move inside this channel, as I was saying right now, just doing it together. And this is more, this is a different scenario, of course. And what can happen is that if I'm gonna do that, can happen that this one can be a new one. Then we got another one, and then we got this one. So this is what can happen next. So it means that this is perfect. This one is red, just to avoid confusion. So top and bottom extent. This one is more a global behavior that can happen instead of the one that I was showing you before. Because of that, again, because prices are moving inside the channel, because both scenarios are still viable, the idea is always to hold and see what is going to happen next. And again, if the possible support of 26.5 will not be broken, the idea might be to go long, but it's always there is a risk, because this is the main behavior of the stock that we might expect. Why that? Because generally when prices are moving inside the channel, when they are close to the bottom, they tend to go up. When they are close to the top, they tend to go down, testing again the support level. So there might be an opportunity that $22 is still a possible target price. But again, because prices are moving inside the channel, and because generally this one can be seen a pause to the market, so the market is pausing before going long, because the previous trend seems to be a bullish trend. This one is just pausing before going long again. I would not go short, because the previous one is a bullish trend. I'm expecting that sooner or later a breakout of this top resistance line, and in the case will be a good signal to go long. As we are right now, the best option is really the best option is just to hold. Now, if you're gonna do a quick comparison, hold, and then, as I told you, just only if the this is a quick comparison with gold. Only if the stock will break generally, or as we are now for silver, just hold, and only if the top resistance line will be broken, the idea would be to go long. Now if you're gonna have a quick look to the silver, to the gold, this is where we are right now with the gold. So the idea for silver is to hold, while for gold is still to hold, but there might be more opportunities to go long. And if this support of $1,800 will not be broken, the idea will be to go long. If this one will be broken, the idea will be to keep holding and wait that this support too of $1,700 is gonna work, so it will not be broken. So if this support too will not be broken, the idea is to go long. If also this support will be broken, the idea is just keep holding, just hold for now, because this is, it means showing us a weakness signal to this market, and perhaps it can reverse, it can start going down. But I don't think this is the scenario, but I don't think even that now it's good time to go long, because there are not a lot of signals to go long right now. Thanks, bye.